What you doing, buddy?
Texting something. I texted my biggest car.
Oh, you're selling the biggest car?
Yeah, my big one.
Oh, you're selling it right now?
Mhm.
Is it a good deal?
Mhm.
How much are you selling it for?
Let me get to the top. Oh, that's a large mark.
Can you do the deal?
Yeah. But,
All right, you got to call the bank
yeah, I kind of make it.
to make sure you get a better interest rate?
That's somebody else. Oh, that was Ashley.
Oh, okay.
He's answering.
Oh,
Somebody answering me. I can't wait.
can I call the bank?
Huh?
You call the bank? Tell them I need a lower interest rate.
That's not what it says. Pink? Oh. What did it say?
Tell them you need a better interest rate.
I mean, but it's in it.
Say 2%. Tell them you want 2%.
Huh? That's somebody else.
Did you get the money?
Yeah.
Good. Did you make the car deal?
Yeah.
Was it a good deal?
Yeah.
All right, let's move on to the next one. All right, Captain?